Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So, as confirmed by a reliable source, Samsung will use Snapdragon 8 Elite for the Galaxy S25 series. Samsung confirms its upcoming Galaxy devices, likely the Galaxy S25 series, will utilize the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset for enhanced AI, performance, and many other great features. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. While the specific models were not explicitly named, it is highly anticipated that the Galaxy S25 series will be among the first to feature this powerful processor. Qualcomm has unveiled the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset at the Snapdragon Summit 2024 in Hawaii, and as expected, it's an impressive platform that delivers incredible advancements for mobile performance, gaming, photography, and artificial intelligence. Mobile device manufacturers will now be using this chipset to bring new flagship devices to the market. It has now been confirmed that Samsung will indeed be one of the companies that launches Snapdragon 8 Elite-powered devices in the coming months. Snapdragon 8 Elite to enhance Galaxy AI experience. At least one Galaxy S25 variant will have the Snapdragon 8 Elite. T.M. Rowe, president of Samsung Mobile, highlighted the Snapdragon 8 Elite's potential to elevate the Galaxy AI experience. He emphasized Qualcomm's expertise in intelligent computing and its commitment to advancing mobile AI, suggesting that these advancements will be integral to future Galaxy AI experiences. This strongly indicates that the Galaxy S25 series, being the next flagship offering from Samsung, will likely incorporate the Snapdragon 8 Elite to deliver enhanced AI capabilities. There have been rumors for the longest time about the chipset choice for the Galaxy S25 series due early next year. Some rumors claimed that Samsung might do what it did for the Galaxy S24 series this year, in that it used the Exynos 2400 for the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus in most markets, whereas the Galaxy S24 Ultra shipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 globally. Samsung has been working on the Exynos 2500, which was expected to debut with the Galaxy S25 series. However, recent rumors have claimed that Samsung's yields for this 3nm chip aren't good, meaning that it probably won't be able to make enough to ship the tens of millions of units that will eventually be sold worldwide. There's no confirmation of that happening, but the mere mention of Samsung in the list of Qualcomm partners, due to launch Snapdragon 8 Elite devices in the coming weeks, makes it clear that Qualcomm's new flagship chipset will most certainly have a part to play in the Galaxy S25 series. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.